Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue with this Data.io Flashpak Programmer, if I can get Cotty to move. I reassembled it because I was curious if the thing actually fully functions. I will put the link to the teardown I did live in the description. We're going to update its firmware. I have the XP laptop out, so we got the Dell. Yes, we got the Dell. And Cotty wants cookies, huh? Do you want cookies? She wants cookies. We're gonna give her cookies. Gotta give the Cotty cookies. Okay, so yes, we got ourselves a Dell. It's an old XP machine because this software requires old stuff. This thing was 2005. It was pretty old. This actually has a web interface, which is kind of cool. So, it takes compact flash cards, or not compact flash, but PCMCIA or card bus or whatever they're called. But you can get these adapters. I had a couple of them floating around in a drawer. I tried it with the 64 mag. No go. Oh. What? You gonna attack me? Oh. You gonna attack? Oh, okay, she's gonna rub. Okay. She don't attack that often. But this combo here, the 32 meg, worked just fine. I want to flip that back around. And we're going to use that one. So, but this combo and this one didn't work. So, I'm just a horrible YouTuber. So you're going to hear the screeching of the tripod. But I'm going to come up to the Windows machine. Windows XP. And I'm going to install a card. It's blank. It's empty. So it took me a little while, but I did find Task Link, which is right here. This is not the latest, but I couldn't find the latest. This is version like 7.71. I did email Data.io to see what the last version was. So this is the last version I could find online, and that's what we're going to update the firmware to. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to open up Task Link here. Their software's pretty funky, but it works fine. So we're just going to hit select programming system. I'm not going to worry about any of these new tasks or anything right now. I don't know how to run the software. I'm going to have to poke through it and learn it. It's different for the 2900, 3900 Unisite series and the Flashpak. So Flashpak's a later programmer, but they supported them way into the 20 teens. So, but we want to select Flashpak series, and then let me see if I can zoom into the screen here. You see that? Yeah, I think you can. Then you're going to go into Tools, and you're going to go Update Flashpak Firmware, and we're going to create a Flashpak update card. And it's going to say it's missing the system files, which is just a blank card. And you're just going to hit yes, and it's going to create the card. And software update card successfully created. And how Data.io did their programmers is the software came with a programmer update, and they have to match. If they don't match, you're not going to get good yields. So let's just eject that card. I know I'm doing it wrong. Should eject it hardware-wise because it is old XP. But there we go. It's got a FDR root, 3.5 meg. And it's got an admin text, and it just says, like, inside that it's just admin text. Don't know. We're going through this as I'm learning it. So it's I haven't done this yet. So we've got a sys flash bin, a boot bin. So this is what we're going to load up to it. So let's move over to the device here. And I'll boot it up here so you can see what it boots up to. It takes a second to come on. When it comes on, it goes through its paces here. It's running its self-test. It's at 5.13.02C. Self-test pass. I don't know if you guys can see that. And that leaves job socket. Now, I'm going to try to get a reposition on this here. Try this, right, like that. That better? I think that'll work better. And probably zoom in right there. It says, yeah, it says job socket. So I'm going to slide the card in right here. Oop, backwards, don't want to do that. We'll boot her back up. Showing the firmware version, Flashpak, self-test. Maybe I could prop that up. Give her a little better angle here. Okay. Now it's got a lot more. Instead of job and socket, you can come down here and you can go system, diagnostics, exercise the display. We don't want to do that. Go back to the menu. Event log. You can view the event log. Pull-up resistor test succeeded. And you can download this, and it also shows on the web. And we've got that's it. Let's go to system. You've got an odometer. Kind of automotive term. But this one shows the devices. It's got powered on hours of 71,633.63 hours. Devices 891. Timekeeping off. It's got some information. But we want this button right there. From what I've read in the manual, it says update software. We're only doing this once, so you can't reverse it, I don't think. We can try. But I want to hit this right there, update software. sys/bin is too big. Call data IO service. Is this too big? Is this too new of an update? I don't know. This is supposed to be for the Flashpak 1. I might have to install an older version of this. So, because this is version 7.71. I will install an older version and do another video. I'm not going to bore you with the install. I don't do any cuts and edits, so you've seen it as I seen it here. Thanks for watching. Let's give Cotty cookies, and we will. Oh, she knows Cotty cookies. we'll call it a day. But that should have updated. I'll do another one after it updates how to set the network up. That laptop don't have Wi-Fi, so I don't think it does. It might have Wi-Fi. Choose a wireless. I'm just gonna configure this wireless connection. Yeah, no, it's too old. So we will get a picture of Cotty. Yes. She keeps moving too fast. Okay, we got a picture of Cotty. We'll catch you all later.